Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to update text information in Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Updating your text information in Google Ads is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, walk into your Google Ads account and sign in. Click on the billing icon on the top right corner. Manage settings. In the settings section, click on manage settings. In the payments profile section, click on United States tax info or the relevant tax info of your country. At last, follow the prompts to enter your update your tax information. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid any issues. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.